Mathematics Standard 8 Practice Set 6.1 Factorization. Practice set 6.1 Factorization. The question is x square plus 9x plus 18. The question is given x square plus 9x plus 18 is the question. This is the first term. X square is the first term. X square is the first term, 9x is the middle term, and this 18 is the last term. We have to split the middle term and the last term. When we multiply two numbers, we will get 18, and we will add and subtract two numbers, we get the answer 9. In this case, we have to suppose the tables. We have to learn by heart tables 2 to 20 and 2 to 25. When we multiply two numbers, we will get 18, and we will add and subtract, we will get 9. In this case, I suppose two numbers. The numbers are 6 and 3. When I add 6 plus 3, I got the answer 9. And when I multiply 6 multiplied by 3, I got the upper answer 18. X square plus 9x plus 18. Put this plus sign here, plus 18 right here, plus 9 here. Now x square and plus 18, put the gap here. Now I split the middle term. I take one number 6 and the other number plus 3. Plus 6 and plus 3, I adjust plus 6 with x square. I write x square plus 6x and write 3x plus 18. Now see, I split the question into part. First part it x square plus 6x, and second is 3x plus 18. Now see, hide this part. Second part, this is x square plus x. Take x as a common factor. This is x square. X is the smaller number. Take x is the common. Now when we take x, the x will remain inside the bracket. Put this plus sign here, and this 6 1 the 6. Now remove this is plus 3x. Now put plus sign here. This is 3 and this is 18. There are two numbers. 3 is the smaller number. 3 as a common factor. Close the brackets. X remain inside the bracket. Put plus sign here. Now read the 3's table. 3 6 18. Now we see the two brackets are same. X plus 6 are the common factors. So take two brackets as a common factor. This is x plus 6 common, and put the second bracket. Here I see x is left and plus 3 is left. Into the bracket put x plus 3. So the factor of x square plus 9x plus 18 is x plus 6 and x plus 3. X plus 6 and x plus 3 is the final answer. Thank you.